Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala.
To enable a pop-up explanation for your service category, follow these steps. First, go to Settings. Then, choose Industries. Select the specific industry you're working with. Then find the right form number and go to Service Category. After that, click on Options. Choose Edit to open a service category. Scroll down until you see the Enable Pop-up on Selection option. In the box below, type in the message you want to show up. Remember to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to update the service category. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.